My name is Alex Budilko. I'm the CEO of AJProTech. AJProTech is a product development partner for startups and global companies who want to create new hardware. We help them with all the engineering, with prototyping, and we help them move to production faster. It's been a wild journey for AJProTech since we started 10 years ago. We've been working with different applications for consumer electronics, for IoT, for wellness devices. Super grateful to have an amazing team and visionary clients who wants to create really innovative products. I'm really living a dream. I'm an engineer by trade, so I love to work on innovative products. I love to travel the world, and I like to work with the best talents worldwide, and working with AJProTech allowed me to achieve all of that. A lot of our clients are startups who have innovative idea and maybe some core principle, and they come to us to find the components, to do the actual design and engineering to make it a product. So we cover everything from idea through prototyping to production. What AJProTech does best is developing product for mass manufacturing. So yes, we do low volume, but everything we do is appropriate for scale production. So we find the proper hardware manufacturer anywhere in the world depending on a product, and we help with manufacturing introduction and production support. Hardware is going through a real renaissance. For years, hardware was overlooked by venture capitalists and for mainstream media, but latest developments in AI and NVIDIA's success brought a lot of attention to hardware, because if you don't build things, there are no things. Hardware and AI are very closely connected because AI is all about data, and hardware provides sensors which can collect the data. So in recent years, we see a lot of interest to create new wearable devices to collect the data so AI can give you more recommendations. So we're pretty bullish on hardware and in connection with AI. The best advice I can give to a hardware startup is to find the problem first. A lot of time founders, they come up with a product and then they try to find the problem which a product can solve. Ideally, problems come first, solutions come second. We see a lot of interest for custom hardware to replace big players. So no one can replace iPhone in the near future, but for some specific applications or another watch company. But we see a lot of interest towards creating very specialized devices for niche markets, and that's where custom hardware can play a big role. And another application we see a lot of interest lately is brain-to-computer interfaces, devices which can interpret your brain waves. A lot of interest in the last couple of years. 2024 was a big year for us. We substantially increased our team size. We worked on incredible products which are very demanding, but that's why we got into engineering business in the first place. So engineering is booming, and we're happy to be on the front of innovation with our clients and our partners. One thing I like about AJProTech is that we work on a really diverse range of applications. At the same time, we might build a premium smartwatch, a brain reading device, and electric bike. Those products are very unique, but they keep us on our top and always allow us to be on the front of innovation. AJProTech's success has been inseparable with CES. We've been coming here for 10 years, and every year is getting better. So as of now, we're a team of 50 engineers, 4 global offices, and more than 60 products we've done over the years. And we're happy to be here at CES, meeting our clients, our partners, and presenting some of the new work we've done.